Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give you a couple of tips on how to promote your pins. First of all, before you start promoting your pins on Pinterest, you need to make sure you have add all your tags correctly and you follow the instruction to set up your business profile correctly, and also you need to allow Pinterest to give you the better to continue on the catalog. As you know, before the catalog was different with the catalog, now is again a couple of things that changed. Now, if you just starting doing your campaigns, you can notice on the main dashboard, if you see below, there is a link on the free course. You can go and register. There is a lot of content in there. So if you just start doing your campaigns, you have different objectives. For example, you can see if you want more sales, if you want clicks, and you make sure that if you see the objectives are different types of campaigns, awareness, consideration, views, conversions, you know very well that if you just start a conversion campaigns, it's not really your best options. You need to know that. And also, if you take the course, you know that there are secrets of Pinterest ads. Now, if you just started, make sure that if you starting and using your campaign, let's say you want more traffic or you want broad awareness, you have to make sure that you add in your audience all the information that you need to segment and optimize your ads correctly. Also, don't forget that you have your bid and you have your budget. If, for example, you have $100 or €100 or whatever, £100 to spend a month, you can actually have a strategy and make sure your ads performing well, and you can manage with like the smallest budget, like £100. You have to make sure that you have a strategy on how to grow your Pinterest marketing campaigns. Now we are in July, August, you have to start September. There's a lot of promotions going on, like all those Halloweens that come in, Thanksgiving. You need to start promoting your pins months before. And also, if you have a specific offer, but make sure that your pin has the offer. Like, for example, if you have let's say you're selling products, 30 wedding dresses for a specific amount, just you can do that on your pin and promote your pin. So make sure you're following the rules, also the advertiser rules. You know that very well because your ad might be rejected. So you need also to read and follow the guidelines of community of Pinterest. It's very interesting that if you don't actually have a plan and a strategy, it's just wasting your money on ads. You don't get the results you want. If your sales you're after, make sure you get the sales. If you clicks you're after or views, make sure you get those. So make sure to optimize the targeting your audience in order to get what you want, because ads cost money and you need to spend your money on what you want and get the results that you want. Because if you don't get the sales and the results that you want, it's just wasting your money. Also, again, your budget. Make sure if your ad doesn't spend all the budget, maybe you need to increase your bid, lower your bid, check your analytics, see all the performances. Don't forget that you can do a group of ads together, or you can either have one, then you can post those, and maybe you need to start new ones. So you really need to start planning and have a strategy, because you can have the lower bid and have your ads performing well, and also to target your campaigns based on visitors or people who click on your pin. You need to have optimized your promoted pins in order to get more sales. As simple as that. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below. You can register for the free course. There is a lot of content in there, and connect with me on your social media. and make sure you plan ahead and promote your pins. Have a great day.